can build a forest, one word can frame a goal. One candle is enough to eradicate darkness, but a true leader needs confidence to stand alone. An enterprising individual and an amazing personality, a man of erudition and cognizance. He is none other than our esteemed director, Sir Mr. Nagaswamy Suresh Dinesh. Here we are elated to share the glimpses of our talented Green Park children for a lively, interactive session with Director Sir. The children have imposed questions to Sir, and Sir has answered each and every question to them with great care and affection in order to improve collaboration and communication level among the children. So here we go.
My question for the day is, what is one skill or talent that you would love to learn in the future?
Something I want to master it better. The art of meditation, I always feel. I know, but I'm not very, proficient in that. So I feel that I should master the art of meditation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pranam sir, my name is Sri Monisha from grade 5. My question is, if you could have dinner with any famous person living or dead, who would it be and why, sir?
I would certainly love to have dinner with Abdul Kalam sir. Dead, right? But living, Sachin, I love Sachin a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Pranam sir, I'm Sanjana from grade 6, and the question for the day is, what inspired you to become a motivational speaker?
Because there were days where I felt I needed someone to hold me. So I know the pain of not being helped when I was in need. So I personally felt, okay, whatever that I have not got in my life, I should give back to the society. So I felt, என்ன மாதிரியே தான் நிறைய பேர் எங்கிருவாங்க ஒரு காலத்துல உங்களை மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது நான் எங்கின காலத்துல இருந்தேன். So அந்த feel I can always remember, and I don't want to give it to others. So I always wanted to motivate others. Thank you.
Pranam sir, I am Liana Shri from grade 7. Today my question is, what moment of your life made you feel proud? Most proud of you.
The most proudest moment in my life. I don't think I have anything called the most proudest.
Who is your inspiration, sir?
Everyone are inspiration. I don't pick inspiration from one particular person. Every people I meet, I pick up inspiration. I'll give you one beautiful example. There were once I stayed in a place in a resort in Salem. Right? So I was about to go to a temple, so I wanted to drink some water. I was asking the people around for water. The person directed me to an outside place. Right? It was an outside mini restaurant. அங்கதான் பாயிண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. So go and get some water. So I went there. There I found a person who was very, very short. And he was actually serving food and all. I casually spoke to him, asking him what is your future and enna pannunu nenikkira and why didn't you study and continue அப்படின்னு கேக்கும்போது it went on. He explained this situation. He said he completed his diploma and then he did not get job, so he is here now. அப்போ அவர்கிட்ட நான் பேசும்போது ஃபைனலா ஒரு லைன் ஆஃப் அட்வைஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. I said, don't வாழ்க்கையை குறைச்சிடாத அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல சொன்னேன். அதுக்கு அந்த பையன் ரொம்ப சிரிச்சுட்டே ஒரே வார்த்தை சொன்னான், தொலைஞ்சா என்ன சார் கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா. Something which nailed my brain at that point. I took it as a very huge inspiration. நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு ஃபீலிங் இருக்கும்ல, லைஃப்ல ஒண்ணு தொலைச்சிட்டா ஏதோ நமக்கு கிடைக்காத மாதிரி ஒண்ணு யோசிப்போம். பட் தொலைச்சா என்ன கடைசிக்கு தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம்ல. ரொம்ப அழகா சிரிச்சுட்டே சொன்னா, தொலைச்சா என்ன சார் தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம்ல. ஒண்ணு தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சா புதுசா ஏதாவது இது பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாரு. So there is nothing in life that is lost. I always say, like, நம்ம இப்போ ஒண்ணுல ஒரு பென்சில் வந்து நீங்க கிரவுண்ட்ல தொலைச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, நீ தொலைச்சிருக்க, ஆனா அது வேற யாரோ ஒருத்தர் இருப்பாங்கல்ல. So life is all about opportunities. Maybe we use someone else picks up and someone else who's we pick up. So that is also a kind of inspiration. So I take inspiration from every people I meet and every books I read or every videos that I read. So the inspiration are not something that you pick from only one person. Everyone are inspiration. Your friends are your inspiration. You guys inspire me. எல்லாருமே inspiration தான். So I get inspired by all.